guys playing Minecraft in my cousin. I don't want to be Survivor, see. I want to be in this motorcycle. Look at this. It works.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Let's go to the forest, guys. Oh, there's beehive. Why is it raining? I don't want to be raining. What's that? What's that? What is this? Wait. Let's see what's this. My mom died in a car crash and dad died to a dumb lol, I guess. I don't know who wrote that. Oh, died for a road. Oh, there, it stopped raining. Oh man, what's this? Okay. Oh, man. Let's go back to my motorcycle. Where is it? Oh man, what's that sound? I'm just playing. Okay. Let's go. Bro, why is there bushes? I don't know why did I say there really hardly. Oh, there's a villager. Hello. Hi, mister. Oh, that's being fixed. Guys, the school. That's called a school. Oh, man. But is this science or school? Okay, let's go. Well, that's bamboos. If it falls, I don't know. Oh, hi, fishies. I'm not gonna eat you. You're called salmon. Oh, hi, mister. Why do you got the candle? Sit like...
Marco,
Where is?
I'm here behind you.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi, Sia. You go here again? Are you a boy?
What do you mean?
Are you in a mask? Kunyari daw nasa mask.
Yes.
Oh, so no one can find you. This villager knows
Let's
you.
go to the safe base.
Where? Where?
Here.
Bro, I didn't know that was there.
Let's
Kunyari
go.
daw.
This is the.
I'll just close the door. No, we can't escape. Hey.
Here we go.
Okay. Oh, that's netherite. Is there something
Oh,
here?
yes.
What is that?
I'm gonna upgrade it later.
Hey, how can I go out there?
There's a button inside.
Oh, yeah. I guess.
Look, armors.
Oh, they are great. Someone could
And
go.
here, look.
What? What's that? Oh, you got netherite things?
Yes. So if there's
Bakit ako yung health bars ko nandito at yung foods per ayun iyog yan at akin I don't I speak Tagalog to Sia because we're
I love
Philippines.
Beanie.
Bruh, you
Beanie.
stop. Hey, sorry,
I love
fishies.
Beanie.
Are you watching it here
Yes.
right now? Bruh,
Oh look.
give me your phone.
No.
Okay, just keep it. Let's see if you could go inside if I'm inside the van. Let's see ya. And, bro, I can't drive these.
No, you can. You can. I don't know. Maybe it's really hard.
I can. Oh, I think it's blocked. This is my motorcycle.
No.
I think there's a lot.
Oh.
Oh, you can go.
Where am I?
I don't know under it.
What do you mean?
Let's go to a trip
Hey, wow.
to the forest.
Wait, I need to get my car.
Where?
Here. Here's my
Oh.
car. Hello. Here's my car.
Where are you?
What are you?
Let's
Hello?
go to the forest. I saw something.
Oh, what?
A book and
Wait,
that.
maybe we should leave our car here.
Maybe there's zombies
No, I don't know.
because I saw something.
What's this? Why is there a chest? Oh!
Because it's-
Abandoned nether portal.
Did you saw that in a book?
No. What book?
Oh,
You mean this book?
no, the other book in the story. Then
Yeah,
I
here, right here. Is it?
don't- No,
this
that
one?
not that one because we. Let's see who gets it. Because it says my mom died in a car crash and dad died in two and I'm dumb. Dad died too and I'm
Why
dumb.
is it raining again?
I don't
Let's
know.
go somewhere else.
In Sunday.
What's this?
I don't know.
Let's see. Oh, there's cobwebs. I saw them. Oh my
What?
goodness, there's so many big trees.
The stores. Let's go back.
Yeah, I think it's turning nighttime.
Yeah. Oh
I need to
no!
get my car.
I'm in this cobwebs. There's maybe spiders.
Oh,
Spiders. Oh no. Wait.
oh no, I think there is spiders.
No.
I don't know.
Let's just look. Okay. It's pretty scary. Is there? Wait.
Oh, sugary timbers.
Ah, bro.
Sugary timbers.
Is
Run!
No, no. That's cute. Hello, mister. Ah! Help, help,
I
help,
told
help.
you to run.
Ah! Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouch.
I'll get the secret thing. Hurry, get to your cars.
No. Bye-bye. I hate that.
Come on, let's go.
Is there
Oh,
only
no.
one house? Mr. Villager, can I go to your house? I mean, our house, because it's only one. Okay, come here inside. Yeah. What's in here?
I wanna kill the villager.
Stop! That's bad.
I want this to be mine. I mean, I want to help the villagers
Oh.
because I wanna give them foods.
Yeah. Let's
Hello,
go
villager, I
to
will
a
give you some
trip so we
Hello,
can get
Mr.
some
Villager.
food.
Look, there's some plants here in the farm.
Whoa, what is this red up? Yeah, look at this.
No.
Let's go inside it. Whoa! I can fly? Oh, I'm creative mode now. Woo! Oh, I can get blocks. Okay, let's get something. If you go there again, you'll get survival, Sia. Okay? Let's make houses so we can all go there. Okay, I need glass. How long would this take? You can't see my house here, I guess. You can't go in my house because secret. I don't know why. Is it secret? Okay. This, there. And there. I'll just put you here. Bruh, I don't know what's happening. I don't know why am I like that. Yeah, we should open the lights. There. That's way more clear, guys. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, like that. Great. See, you can check my house, and I can check your house. Okay?
Okay.
Because I don't know why. Because we're gonna make something good. Okay, I don't know why do I got creative mode. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, looks like that. Cool. Okay, that's great. There we go. Good. That's a good house. You could see here. Okay, let's just cover all of this up, guys. Okay, there. I'll just broke it. Because I love playing. Guys. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. There's my eyes. I need glass to be at the top, so I don't know why. So my house looks good. Okay, there we go. This is my house. Okay, there we go. There. There we go. There! Finish! And I just need the interior. See, I will like the color blue, so I'll get blue. And I'll get some furnace and crafting table. And what about the campfire outside so I could camp it? Nah, I don't want the campfire. Okay, there we go. Where should I put that? What about here? No, not like that. Okay, like this. Cool. Okay, like that. Just put it like that. Okay, like that. No, I'll just put it like this. What about... I don't know where did I do that. Okay, let's place Marco's house. Okay, there we go.
Marco, what are you doing?
Making my house. Don't look inside because I'll show you later. What was that? Phone's too hot. Guys, my phone's hot because of the brightness, and I got the heart attack. I don't know why. Let's make it like this. I always like things to be perfect, so I'll put it like that, like perfect thing. Okay, like that. About the cobblestone.
Hey Marco, look at the jungle. I mean the forest that is forest of death.
Oh man, I don't want to go here.
Look at
Maybe
this
we'll
skeleton.
get survival if we go in really top. So don't go in real top because we can get survival and
Alright.
die.
Here's
Okay, where's my house? There. There's my house.
darkness. Why is there a black figure?
No,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
Don't say it. I don't wanna be scared.
Look.
I don't wanna be scared.
Look.
Bruh.
I'm scared. I'm getting out of here.
It doesn't matter to you.
Are you scared?
Yeah. Definitely.
Oh my goodness. What is this? Can you simple to let's see in the map. There's no black figure in the map.
So I don't know.
I will never go to the jungle ever in my life.
The jungle. Yes.
I mean the forest. How about we go there in survival?
No. We could be pulled out of our soul.
Can we go there but try not to be scared?
I'm still making my house.
How about let's make a part 2 next?
So yeah. Guys. See you soon, and if you see this soon, then it will be really upgraded, and stay in part
And we
2.
will see what the